Winston, are you ready to open your Christmas countdown? Yeah! We've been waiting for you. Hey, just me, HeyKayli here, coming at you. It's a weekend, it's fine. I've been crafting today, it's been the best day ever. Okay, hold on, wait, stop, pause. Battery's gonna die, hold on.
Oh, yeah,
Did you guess what yours was? Could you tell?
No.
No? Couldn't tell?
Listen, are you sure this is yours?
No, that's not mine. That's yours.
No, it's not, because mine was number 1, pal.
That's
number one.
Mine's the best.
Winston, did you open the wrong one?
No.
No.
You.
What's number 2?
Okay.
It's 5. We're switching days.
I think this is Mike Wazowski.
Wait, today's the 5th, huh?
No, today's not.
No, it
it's the
isn't.
4th, but. Okay, open it. You know which one, baby? Number 5?
Hercules!
That's awesome because you have Meg.
Let's try this back.
Mike.
Guess.
Sully.
Yeah.
You got Sully?
You got Sully? Let's go get it. Well, guess what? I got Cruella de Vil.
No, that's Ursula.
Ursula.
Who did you get, baby?
Hercules.
You have to do it.
Oh, is this
The bunny from...
You have to give me
cute?
What are we gonna open tomorrow?
Very cute. Tomorrow is a family gift for everyone.
Can we just open all of them right now, Mom?
No, you may not. I had to switch the days because, well, 2 reasons. The present for tomorrow, we need a Christmas tree party, and obviously that needs to happen tonight. So I didn't want them to have to wait until, you know, midnight when I finally finished, and because they're driving me crazy, they want to open the doorables. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Okay, I've been finishing up some crafts up here. These are crafts for my giveaway. I'm still working on one that isn't finished. I have actively been working on these for months. I couldn't, when you see, I'm just gonna show them quickly because, and just like parts of them because they are personalized. But when you see them, it seems very simple, and it is. One, I get in my head way too much. I think way too much about it. But another thing is I ordered supplies and they took a little longer to get here. Another thing, when I stained them, they kept going weird colors. So then I would have to cut out another piece of wood to try to get the colors to look good. Finally, I am so happy with how the back looks. I'm so happy with how the colors look. And I glued them together. I do see some imperfections, but I don't know, I'm taking it down. Braylee said that she thinks it looks great. I'm taking it down so Casey can look at it, all of them, but this is what I've been working on. I know they're really simple, but these have taken me a long time. But I really love them. I actually think that Braylee's going to make one similar to what I made for her boyfriend's parents, and I think I might make them for some Christmas gifts that I'm giving as well, because it did turn out so cute. Okay, this is one of them. This one is the one that gave me the most grief with matching. Well, they both kind of did, but this one did. This is so cute. Another sign like this. And then I also made a Christmas countdown. So sending these off. I'm also working on another custom sign. This is a part of it. I cut it out small to make sure that I liked how it looked. And I'm glad that I did that because it actually looks better cut out a little different. And I'm working on that. Hopefully I'll have that finished soon so that I can send it out. And then I had a couple more that were already made that I sent out. Are you leaving? Listen, take that out before you leave.
Oh,
Yep.
I can't.
I'm also getting the countdown put together.
I want to look inside of them.
No, don't. No, really? No.
So there's some...
Not allowed. You already know what that is. You literally...
My gum.
Hey, you.
Mom got you gum for the countdown.
I did not. I would not do that. Winston hates gum.
Why do you hate gum? Because of you.
Because of you. Winston can't eat gum because of Braylee. But she spit it in his mouth.
He was literally like 3 years old.
It was my birthday.
It was?
Yeah.
Braylee, rude. Look, this is your Christmas countdown so far. Layla, tight. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like.
This is Mom.
I'm a disaster when I craft. Also, usually when I craft, the kids come up and they work on things, and so we've just made some messes up here.
You guys do not know I hate peanut butter.
I know, we all know now.
And she got me peanut butter.
I made a mistake, Layla. Please forgive me.
I did.
Look at this. Oh my gosh, can you believe this? Okay.
Yeah.
I did actually make piles though.
One side
This is
down.
going out, you know, so it doesn't look like,
Mom, this is my collection of
it just looks like a big mess, but it's actually, it's gonna be clean quick because I made piles.
This is my collection. I gave Layla Meg for this.
Oh, you did?
Because look, now I have Tweedledee and him.
Okay, nice. That was a good idea.
Tweedledee and
But
him.
you had Meg and Hercules.
I like Alice in Wonderland more.
Also, Jack didn't move. Uh-oh, from yesterday.
Oh!
So, do you know what I was thinking? I think we need some more Christmas magic in this house. And then maybe he'll move. What do you think? Yeah? Do you think that? Maybe he just needs some more power. And I think that he gets that from us. So should we maybe do some decorating? Maybe that will help?
The Christmas tree!
Christmas tree, do you think so?
Yeah!
I think that that's what we should do. Also, maybe put this away. Just saying. Yeah?
Mean one.
Do you agree, guys? I
Mean
do
one.
agree.
Mean one. Mean one.
Oh yes, Ursula. I'm gonna put the Christmas tree up. Getting a late start to the vlog today because hours go by while I'm crafting and I'm like, wait, whoa, where has the day gone? But I do need to hurry and put up the vlog for today, and
Guys.
then we will put up the Christmas tree.
Try to
While I'm
guess.
doing that though, I'm gonna make the boys bring the Christmas tree up.
Try to guess what's this.
Well, we already know because it was in the vlog.
It's a bell!
Bell, a Christmas bell.
Okay, let me show you how cute it is.
Okay, show us how cute it is.
And if you guys
Oh, that
want
one's
to,
Winston's. He broke his. So go
Oh.
find the other one. The vlog is uploading right now, and we're gonna get ready to put the Christmas tree up. The boys are getting ready to bring it up. Guess what though? I see some messes that need to be put away. It looks like you guys just got everything out of the car and just threw it right here on the rug. Is that what happened? That's what it looks like happened. I'm gonna hurry and mop this corner quickly. Sweep it, clean it really good.